Sorkar Jylla kadang don hapadeng ke Jing penbet na kebenta ke Jing Pynkynriah jaka yaki nong shong shnong jong ka Harijan colony kabelakmi lenti lakham slem menta hakaba usimbot menteri rangba uba snyau bhalang dhar ulapen Bnai ya ke Jing tmu ban shim ya karai hakabakut jong Bnai Naiwieng ula kedau bagi Jing Pynkynriah kidang ya chakmat bat ke Sorkar kadang up ya ke Jing ai jingmut halor ki kattu kat ne ki mat kentup ya ke Jingla ban pendon kam ya ke jaka jong ki sipai na benta ban Pynkynriah jaka dang shen ka Harijan Panchayat Committee kala kentho ke Sorkar halor ka Jing bom shim khia jong ka ban penbet ya ke ne ke Jing
been prepared, so I think maybe likely we may take a final call maybe by the end of November. We may take. So since there is a request few points, so we are waiting for that. So let us see.